I have this part I'm looking at for my Nissan Frontier. This gentleman has been very accommodating, so close to closing time at the parts department. I really appreciate that, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
So this part here is comprised of everything in this box here.
Yep.
So you get, of course, the clamp, this hose, this piece, and the little, you know, it seems to imply there's a rubber gasket here, but I don't see one here. That's okay. So what I'm wondering, if these go out all the time, is there a metal one available? They're probably,
Nope.
see, on the 6 cylinders there are, aftermarket.
Perhaps.
Maybe
Yeah.
aftermarket. So, and another question is, and I'm asking this more for the viewing audience in the picture than you directly, sir. Do these go out on the 4 cylinders as they are purported to go out on the 6 cylinders?
That one there fits either the 4 or the 6.
Okay.
This one, but typically what we get is a much larger assembly.
All right, folks, bear with me. This gentleman is being even more helpful to help me discern this part, which is this, and to discern this part from this part. This is 7988 here at the Nissan dealership.
Yeah, so on the 6 cylinders, my son has an 07 Xterra. This is what breaks. You can have this. This is what breaks. This piece right here, that's what this is.
Okay, but what breaks is what?
It's usually this little, I think it's this piece right, it's part of this.
Okay, so they don't even make that for my car because my car's a
No.
4, so the
Right,
4
I'm
probably
saying
doesn't.
that this is usually the problem right here.
This.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
In this
so I'm
box.
probably good.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That's
So-
why this is, don't come across this one very often. This is this.
And it fits the 4s and the 6s.
Yes.
This is only for the 4s.
Correct. That's why nobody has
4s
it.
and 6s, 4 cylinders. All right. All right, well, thank you very